This is outside my house, or my dad's house. That's the back of the car. Lawnmower. 2 other cars. See that bird all the way over there? Looks like a little, oh, there's birds over there. They look like little black dots. This is me, Hannah. I'm just walking outside. Don't know really what to talk about. 8 crystals. You might not like this, but I didn't like it. Ate some apple pie. I loved it. I'm getting gnats all around me. Oh yeah, that's my, well, not really friend's house, Matt, but that's Matt's house, who's their next door neighbor. Or Tristan's next door neighbor. Oh, poo in the yard. Y'all don't want to see that, so I'm not going to show you. There's some swings. See you, David? Okay, it's getting darker. There's the trampoline we got. This is the backyard, but I'm not going to show you. And that's kind of the outside of our house. Or my dad's house. See ya.